This company has an extraordinary culture of customer-centric innovation, and that culture has been turbocharged since they hired Brian Niccol as CEO.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. In 2020-2021, most of us have discovered cryptocurrency and the stock market for investing. Today, we're going to talk about 5 leisure stocks that you should keep an eye on for investment. But before that, what all comes under leisure? The global population is increasing in wealth. As individuals become wealthier, a growing number of us will have more spare time on our hands. This is encouraging news for leisure and entertainment businesses. It's a broad category with a wide range of leisure and amusement possibilities. Whether your notion of fun is skiing, golfing, or relaxing at a resort, there are a slew of public corporations making money by providing a variety of leisure activities.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Have you ever wondered how to end procrastination and self-sabotage so you can unleash your full potential to live the life you deserve? #1 best-selling author and high-performance coach Peter Sage is hosting a free webinar where he'll teach you how to increase your wealth with less time and struggle, and also how to hyper-boost your growth and success so you can finally break out of any rut you find yourself in. Right now, Peter and his team are offering a free $100 gift to anyone who doesn't find his webinar as the best use of their time within the last 5 years. Now, let's get back to the video.
Should investors invest in these stocks while these companies are in the leisure business? Given the current stock market rally, investors may be searching for more long-term growth investments right now. While the stock market took a break last month, leisure stocks are likely to see some action soon. For starters, summer is here and customers are undoubtedly looking for ways to make the most of it. As a result, consumers and investors will pay more attention to the leisure industry. Furthermore, as domestic travel resumes, the range of leisure activities continues to expand. Is now a good time to get in on the reopening trade? CNBC's Jim Cramer did, however, point out that current consumer buying trends favor leisure products. Walmart's earnings report from May showed an increase in customer spending on groceries, clothes, and leisure products. According to the Mad Money host, investors may be looking for the top marijuana stock of 2021 in other places. This would be the case because marijuana has already been legalized in 19 states. Companies like Canopy Growth and Kronos Group would be in the spotlight in this regard. In general, it looks that the current market for leisure stocks is gaining traction across the board. In light of this, here are 5 different leisure stocks to keep an eye on in the stock market. Number 5. Vail Resorts Incorporated. The first company we'll look at is Vail Resorts Incorporated. Vail operates 37 destination mountain resorts and regional ski areas in the United States, Canada, and Australia for the uninitiated. Aside from that, the company's Rock Resorts division maintains a variety of hotels. The company's extensive portfolio distinguishes it from lesser ski resort operators. It has also allowed Vail to develop a strong loyalty program since skiers may take advantage of special offers at a variety of venues. The epidemic has had a significant impact on Vail, as it has on many other tourism industries. Sure, during the hot summer months, Vail's core skiing model would slow down. With the economy eventually returning, the upcoming winter season in Vail might be a busy one. As a result, we wouldn't be surprised if investors were looking at MTN stock, which has risen over 140% since its epidemic low. Vail also reported strong results in its most recent fiscal quarter, beating pre-pandemic levels across the board. The company earned $889.08 million in total revenue during the quarter. If that wasn't enough, Vail's net income increased by an impressive 80% year-over-year. Vail's Epic Australia passes have seen a 43% increase in year-to-date sales compared to the same period last year, according to CEO Rob Katz. Will you be adding MTN stock to your portfolio after all is said and done?
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. How would you feel knowing that you could pay every bill you have right now as well as any future bills that come in? Commission Hero is a proven system that has helped over 8,000 people earn upwards of $1,000 a day or more. The best part is that there is zero experience needed to get started. In this free training, Robbie Blanchard and his team will teach you the top 3 secrets to how and why this system works, and how it can also work for you. Join the thousands of people who have found success and financial freedom using Commission Hero. Right now, the first 100 people to use the link below will get access to this free webinar. Now let's get back to the video.
Number 4. American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated. American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated is another major player in the leisure market right now. In short, AEO provides customers with high-quality, fashionable clothes as well as personal care goods. Throughout terms of size, the corporation has locations in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Hong Kong. It also uses its e-commerce services to ship its goods to 81 nations around the world. More importantly, considering its year-to-date gains of over 80%, investors appear to be flocking to AEO stock this year. The company's momentum is evidently continuing to develop this week as its shares are up over 8%. Jim Cramer's bullish outlook on AEO stock could be one element contributing to this. Cramer believes that AEO is a low-effort stock that investors can get behind in this market. In addition, the company recently stated that it will be boosting its dividend by 31%, demonstrating its current financial strength. Would you consider AEO stock a great purchase now that investors are positive on it? Number 3. Pinterest Incorporated. Now, we have Pinterest, a social networking platform. Social networking is still one of the most popular methods for people to spend their leisure time. During the current pandemic, companies like Pinterest have seen their active user numbers rise. While in-person leisure facilities continue to reopen, investors should keep social media giants like Pinterest in mind for the time being. This is primarily due to the company's deliberate moves to capitalize on the pandemic's current momentum. People who are homebound might use the company's services to collect ideas and notions. Users may continue to rely on its platform now that more of those ideas can be executed. Pinterest recently expanded its shopping functionality to the Australian, Canadian, French, and German markets in accordance with this. This move should help the company grow its addressable market while also monetizing its platform. PINS stock, in particular, has seen a year-over-year increase of almost 203%. Do you think it has more room to run this year as a result of all of this? Number 2. Tilray Incorporated. Tilray is another key participant in the leisure-focused sector to explore right now. After all, for those who don't want to travel right now, pot would be a safe way to unwind at home. Tilray's industry-leading range of cannabis lifestyle goods would be useful in this situation. Investors appear to be flocking to TLRY stock, which is up more than 90% year-to-date. Is today a good moment to hop on the Tilray train? Cantor Fitzgerald, a financial services firm, appears to be leaning towards a yes. The brokerage gave TLRY stock an overnight rating and a $22 price target earlier this month. This would represent a 26% increase over the stock's current price of $17.43 per share as of Tuesday's closing bell. Cantor analyst Pablo Zuanic attributes this upgrade to the company's recent successful acquisition with another industry leader, Afria. Tilray then went on to announce the debut of Symbios, its newest medical cannabis brand. Would you consider buying TLRY stock now that the company appears to be going into high gear? Number 1. MGM Resorts International. MGM Resorts International is at the top of our list today. MGM is a hotel and entertainment corporation centered in Las Vegas. MGM stock is another leisure stock to be aware of right now because of its extensive hospitality and entertainment business. The corporation operates some of the most famous brands in the market through its 31 unique hotel and casino venues. As a result, it stands to gain from the present tailwinds in domestic travel in the United States. There's also the matter of BetMGM, the company's sports betting and online gambling endeavor. Last year, the corporation altered its strategic focus to this business category, capitalizing on pandemic-fueled online betting trends. MGM stock has risen by more than 125% in the last year. Regardless, MGM continues to look for ways to expand its gaming segment, which is becoming increasingly popular. This is demonstrated by the fact that the company is now collaborating with Shift4, a provider of payment processing solutions. Shift4's end-to-end encrypted payment systems, in theory, would add an extra degree of protection to MGM's online betting activities. Will you be buying MGM stock given that the firm is potentially riding both pandemic and reopening tailwinds? That's it for today's video. We hope this video was insightful and informative for you. Let us know what all stocks are you planning to invest in 2021 or already have invested in the comment section down below. Do give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your investor friends and family members or the people who are very new to the stock market and need help in investing. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting and informative videos and press that bell icon for regular updates on our channel. Till then, goodbye.